Hello everyone! It's been quite a while since I've done a spinner review, so let's do one right now. I have here with me the DJG Whisper Spin in silver stainless steel. Let's do some zoom in on the pack. Number 10 out of 50, great number. Didn't realize that till now. Also, a little side note, it comes wrapped in nylon. I started to do this review and had to stop. So I didn't even open it. I just cut the nylon and I had to stop. So this is why there's no, it comes, I think I have it. Or here it is. It comes like wrapped. So just so you know, I'm always honest about anything and everything. So let's open it and see what we have inside, because I did not know, I didn't see. Let's just put this here, bam. So DJG, DJG, EDC, I don't know how to say it, but it's written under the DJG symbol. Another, maybe DJG, that's how to say it, I don't know. But anyway, let's see what we have here. I will take it out of the frame for a second and see what we have in this little envelope. Nothing here. So, 3 pretty big buckyballs, but it's not buckyballs actually, it's just for the rotation inertia. A bearing, a replacement bearing, I believe. Opening tool, some cool stickers. Very nice, very nice. But this is not why we're here. But as always, they don't disappoint. Very nice packaging. So, the Whisper Spin in stainless steel. Let's just take it out. Okay, already can hear the balls. 10 out of 50. Really super duper nice to know it's an exclusive piece. And beautifully machined, like each of their products. So let's open it and see with you. Okay, so we did it. It's the cat is out of the bag. I'm more of a dog person, but anyway. Now, very very cool close up. I fucking love the machining. It feels great in the hand. You can feel everything on it. Very nice jiggling sound. So let's spin it for the first time with you and see how it is. Spins pretty silently. Super duper cool. And it's such a lovely noise. That was beautiful. Let's do it again. freaking mesmerizing. I'm so happy I got it. Amazing. I'm amazing. It keeps going. It's freaking amazing. Let's try to stop this thing. Yeah, so beautiful. Stop this thing. Such a nice linkage spinner. More than nice, it's freaking great. And for the price, man, you can't beat it. Beautifully done, very beautifully done, very beautifully done. Beautiful, just spins beautifully. I love spinners. And then it goes back to silent. Amazing, really, I love it. I can't stop looking at it through the camera lens, I'm just looking at my phone screen while I do it and enjoy every second of it. Amazing, amazing. I'm going to play with it so much. Bam. I can get lost like that. I'm sorry. Uh, so, 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 um, first of all, beautiful piece. An amazing, beautiful piece. Everything. And you know what? It sounds weird because I'm a very, how do I say it? I love merchandise. Like if they had DJG on it somewhere, I usually would like it more. But the simple lines, the very beautiful contrast between the more silver, the not shiny silver, I don't know how to say it, and the shiny silver is very beautiful contrast here also. It seems to me like they really thought about it. They didn't just release something. Uh, they really wanted to put something there that will make a statement, and uh, uh, it's so great, unbelievable, really, really. One last time, and stop, and continue, and stop. So anyway, I can do this for hours. Uh, so this is the Whisper Spin by DJG. This is again the silver stainless steel variation. I'm going to put it here for a second. So thank you for being with me here for another review of a very cool fidget spinner. that I'm very happy to have in my collection. As always, it's important to me to tell you that I really appreciate you guys. I love the community and the people in it. And again, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video I make. Hopefully soon. Thank you.